Want to learn how to do CapCut memory effect? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to do CapCut memory effect. Open CapCut, then tap on New Project. Select the media files you want to use for your project. Then tap on Add. Tap on the clip in the timeline you want to keep memory effect. Then tap on Overlay. Adjust the clip. Now scroll till you get mask. Tap on it. Select circle. Then tap on Adjust. And go to the feather. Adjust the feather according to your preference. Then tap on the down arrow. Now tap on the tick mark and adjust the position of the overlay. Now go to the animation for smooth transition. Select Fade In and adjust its duration according to your preference. Then tap on the tick mark. Now preview the video. By following these steps, you can easily do CapCut memory effect. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.